everybody, it's Carter from We Love Fire Alarms. Happy New Year. That means we have a New Year's fire alarm sounding to do. We have 13 beautiful devices in front of us, so why don't we go ahead and set them off to say Happy 2023. Here we go. And with that, happy 2023, and I'll see y'all in the next year. I didn't think I was going to do a setup this year, but it worked out and I did, and I am so happy that I did. I know this is a bit of a smaller setup than usual. However, I decided to use all the devices that I knew were the loudest in my collection. We have the Iconic Spectre Alert Advance, a bunch of simplex stuff, my 7002 Ts, system sensor mass devices, my EST devices, and of course, we can't forget the big fat notifier bell running on an AMSCO motor. I haven't been active on my channel a lot this year, and I hope that I can start cranking out some content for 2023. I have a couple of ideas up my sleeve that I'm still in the development process for, but I should have those out relatively soon. There's a lot of interesting new things that I have gotten, including this Siemens horn that I believe I have not shown on this channel. So we have a lot of new devices and a lot of surprises that I'm excited to be releasing in the coming months. So look forward to that. With that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.